Lucy, a young and ambitious college graduate, dreams of financial independence and a life full of excitement. She longs for more than just a typical 9-to-5 job. One day, while scrolling through social media, she stumbles upon a video about affiliate marketing. Intrigued by the idea of earning passive income and being her own boss, Lucy decides to delve into this world. With determination in her eyes, she sets out on a journey to turn her dreams into reality. Little does she know, this path will test her limits, challenge her skills, and ultimately transform her life forever. At an affiliate marketing conference, Lucy's eyes light up as she listens to one of the speakers share their success story. Little does she know, destiny has a surprise in store for her. As the event winds down, Lucy musters the courage to introduce herself to John, a renowned affiliate marketer. Impressed by Lucy's enthusiasm and determination, John offers her something she never expected: mentorship. With his guidance, Lucy's journey takes a new turn. John becomes not just a mentor, but a beacon of hope, ready to guide her through the ups and downs of the industry. Guided by John, Lucy immerses herself in the vast world of affiliate marketing. With every passing day, she learns the intricacies of finding profitable niches, crafting compelling content, and attracting targeted traffic. Armed with this knowledge, Lucy develops an unwavering focus and determination to succeed. She pours her heart into creating engaging blog posts, captivating social media campaigns, and informative videos. Slowly but steadily, her hard work begins to pay off. Lucy's excitement reaches its peak as she celebrates her first ever affiliate earnings. This milestone fuels her motivation, propelling her further on the path to success. Lucy's journey is not without its fair share of challenges. As she delves deeper into the world of affiliate marketing, she comes face to face with fierce competition and experiences setbacks that rock her confidence. Doubts start to creep into her mind, questioning her abilities and testing her resolve. Yet, Lucy is not one to back down easily. With John's unwavering support and guidance, she gathers her strength and determination to conquer these obstacles. Each setback becomes an opportunity for growth and learning. Lucy's resilience shines through as she perseveres, determined to keep pushing forward on her path to success. Finally, after months of unwavering dedication and relentless effort, Lucy's dreams become a reality. Her hard work pays off, and she achieves the financial independence she always dreamed of through the power of affiliate marketing. But Lucy's success doesn't end there. Her inspiring journey touches the lives of many others who aspire to break free from the conventional work-life mold. Lucy becomes a beacon of hope and motivation, proving that with the right mindset, guidance, and perseverance, anyone can thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. Her story becomes a testament to the limitless potential that lies within each aspiring entrepreneur.